I'm doing Dr. Joe Dispenza meditations every single day. This is day 12, and I have to agree with this comment, okay? There's just something about Bali that puts you into like a manifesting vortex. And I think because Bali in general is so high vibe, like the island has such a high frequency that if you're on that same frequency, like things just happen so fast for you, and like you get propelled into your desires even faster. So this is day 12. I At this point, like, I'm getting even more nervous sharing the stories because the synchronicities are getting freakier. And I don't want you guys to think I'm making it up, but like, I'm not. I swear I'm not. Like, I couldn't even make this up if I wanted to because it would be too wild. So, anyway, day 12, I meet one of my friends. We met on Bumble BFF. If you didn't know, Bumble has like a BFF feature. This was the second time that I met her. We hit it off the first time and we had a great time. So she was like, "Where do you want to meet?" And she gave me like two options of cafes. And I just chose like this one option, okay? It was called Fold in Canggu. If you're in Bali, check it out. And before I go any further, I have to like backtrack a little. A few weeks ago, I follow this Instagram, this restaurant Instagram in Bali, not Fold Canggu, by the way, just like another restaurant. And they post a photo of whatever, like people that were dining in that night at their restaurant. And there was this guy that they posted, and for some reason he like caught my eye because I was like, wow, he's super hot. No idea who this guy was. Obviously, didn't even ask the restaurant anything because I didn't want to be like a creep and be like, who is that guy? But anyway, I just had a thought. I was like, wow, this guy's really cute. And so they tagged him. So I go to his Instagram, like, kind of stalking a little, but obviously didn't follow, didn't do anything. But I just wanted to see what he looked like. I was like, wow, he's really, really good looking. And obviously, it was just like a passing thought that I had where I was like, oh my God, I would really like to meet him. Anyway, completely forgot that he even existed. And I meet my friend at this cafe, walk into this cafe, and the first person I see is this guy. And I literally froze because I was like, there is no way that this synchronicity is happening right now because this is crazy. And like, I remember telling my friend, because we walked in together, and I was like, this is crazy. And I have to tell you why this is crazy. And I think I was too stunned to speak. And I didn't say much because I didn't want him to think like I was a stalker or something. But I just thought that whole thing was such a freaky synchronicity because I was like, 2 weeks ago, I just thought about how great it would be to meet this person or to see this person. And now he's in front of me. And I was speechless because I was like, what? And so I was telling the story to another friend of mine that I had not told this story to. And I showed him a photo and he's like, that's my friend. And I was like, what? And so I don't know where this is going to go, right? Like, are we going to see each other? Who knows? But it's like that synchronicity and that connection. I don't like this would not have happened if I was not doing Joe Dispenza meditations. Like, I just know it. This is not a coincidence. And it's starting to make me believe that these synchronicities, like for me especially, is connection. Because I'm getting like really crazy synchronicities with people, like meeting people and seeing people. I think that's what I'm meant to have in my life right now, is to just connect with new people. And so that already freaked me out. And then my friend decided to buy me free coffee. I didn't even tell her that I was doing like these Joe Dispenza meditations and that I was getting things for free. She's just like, hey, coffee's on me. And I was like, okay. So free coffee, literally saw that guy out and about. I still cannot get over that. Like, I think about it and I'm like, That's way too freaky. Like, I really feel like I live in a simulation. Okay, this video is getting a little too long, so go to part 2 where I talk about more synchronicities that happened in day 12. All right, I'll see you there.